So guys, what's a party without balloons? Here to jazz things up a bit with some pretty cool shapes is owner of the Soft Skills International Training Institute, Frankie Ann Ricketts. You hear her name and the music fitter.
Frankie, what's your daddy name?
My dad's name is Frank, my mom's name is Andrea, and they literally combine them both together, and that's how you got Frankie Ann.
You're a child of the 80s.
Frankie Ann.
We know. All right, Frankie Ann, so you recently had a balloon workshop to show people how to use balloons. Jazz up the place. So this morning you're going to be showing Simone and I a few tricks.
Definitely.
What's the first thing you have to do with the balloon? Blow them up, not too tight, not too soft.
All right, so one of the first things that you definitely have to do when you're working with balloons is that you need a balloon pump, either the God-given one or the man-made one. Yeah, the lungs, the good old lungs.
People still blow balloons in 2020?
Definitely, people still blow balloons because especially in today's time when you need to be economical, not always you're going to be able to go and purchase a balloon pump. Sometimes you just have to use what you have, which is the God-given air pump.
So balloons are still a big thing, Frankie Ann, because design has gone like leaps and bounds, and now people are using, you know, sparkly things and but balloons are still a staple.
Definitely. Balloons are actually the in thing right now.
Really?
Definitely. If you realize, even at weddings nowadays, funerals nowadays, people are decorating the place with a lot of balloons.
Okay.
So it is definitely the in thing. So today, I want to show you some tricks that you definitely would enjoy. So we're going to first create a balloon column. This is just the economical way of creating a balloon column.
When you say we're gonna create
we're going to finish it actually.
Pass me a pump. Me go and pump and someone will create.
All right, no problem. So I would like if you pumped this gold balloon, and then the thing about it, when you pump, I'll let you know. But I just wanted to say, so if you want to create a balloon column, right? You could definitely get the economical version, which includes you going to any hardware store and purchasing a 1-inch PVC pipe. Now, how you keep this balloon standing, this column standing, is by either placing water weights or sand inside of a balloon and attaching it down to the base of the balloon right here. Perfect.
Okay, but how you get the balloons to do what they're doing now? You tie them onto each other? Or
yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do today. So while Miss Delia Harris has done the balloon, this is already a pre-done one that was done before. So
I did this one before we came on here.
Okay, yeah, she did this one before we came on here. So what I'd like you to do...
Frankie, and nobody make you tell lies.
Yeah, you take it.
What did you like to do?
All right, so what we're going to do now, we are going to attach, you are going to hold this.
Have her do some work, Frankie.
And then you are going to open it out like this. Let's place it on the table.
It's gonna pop!
And that's the whole story and the fun of having balloons.
It's not fun,
it is definitely fun.
So what do you want me to do? Just itch it in?
Yes.
Somewhere?
I want you to grab this, the nozzle, and wrap it right here. Just wrap it all the way around. And bring it back.
Bring it back.
Perfect.
Wrap it around, bring it back. I told you guys I did this one before the break. Okay, I didn't really do it. But.
All right, perfect. So what I'd like you to do is this. I'd like you to place this. As you realize that I have formed a spiral column, right? So I would like you, giving you the challenge of placing this in line so that you could get this, continue and finish the spiral.
May I tell you, I'm going to go to balloon school, Frankie?
Well, now you're learning. So let's see what you've learned.
Sheffield, that's why I took this part of the job.
Wait, no, but Frankie, this is going to burst. And
it's not going to burst. So I'm going to help you.
Wait, let me see. Wait, there is no. I'm trying to create. You know, Harris. I thought we were sisters in the struggle.
No, I'm doing this part of the job.
All right.
Nope. Wait, now show me. Wait, don't put it on for me. Show me what to do.
All right, so I want you to match the white. You place it in the space right here.
This is my spiral. I'm putting my own creative touch on it.
Okay, if you say so. But if it's not done properly,
it's not done properly.
No, perfect.
You want to know what where? Tell me.
All right, so I want this dark blue in between this light blue. The white should be in between. So like this. I'm going to show you and then you do it yourself, okay? So like this. And then you're going to switch the balloon around like this. Uh-oh, it popped. So that's okay. Like that.
Voila!
No.
See? Taught her everything she knows.
I'd like you to try now.
Eh?
I'd like you to try now.
Pardon?
I'd like you to try now.
Do you need me to blow up anymore?
No, actually, we've actually blown up all that we need to right now.
Okay, wonderful.
Because
Nice.
afterwards,
Yes, lady. You did this on purpose, you know, Frankie. You disconnect my balloon.
no, I didn't.
You did.
I don't want to
It's okay, I
embarrass
can
you.
put it back on. No, that's too late. That horse gone through the gate, miss. Don't worry, my shame tree is not fertilized at this moment, so it shan't grow.
So in the meantime, I would like you to blow up this one really, really small.
Frankie, what you say you want wear?
That small or bigger?
A little bit bigger, like around the size of this, please. You're getting it, actually. You're doing pretty well.
Oh, it's going to pop. I just know it's going to pop.
All right, perfect. So I'd like you to just connect this to this.
Is this correct? Or is the blue supposed to be on top of the blue? Merry Christmas.
It's beginning to feel a lot like pep.
It is. Right, so all you have to do is tell me what you wanted, Frankie, and I was getting it done.
Yay.
And I don't know if you'll give Marvin joke.
All right, so what I'd like you to do now, attach that to the top. That should do the trick, seeing that it keeps them falling off. All right, so another thing I'd like you to do is that if you realize on this you have a lot of empty negative spaces, right? So we're going to fill in the negative space, and this is something that everyone can do once they get home. So what you're going to do, you're going to take one of these long balloons. This is the balloons that the clowns always used to get these little animals. So what you're going to do, I would love if you wrap you're going to wrap it around. And normally what you would do under traditional circumstances, you would have gotten the color of the balloon so that it blends in and you don't see it.
All the way around?
All right, you kind of wrap it too much now.
No, but no,
You're
look
wrapping
here.
it too much.
I'm good.
Look here.
All right.
We don't have a lot of time, you know. So
I
you say
know.
wrap, I'm gonna wrap.
All right, perfect. So
Okay.
I'd like you to wrap this again.
It's gonna pop. I just know it's gonna pop.
You can let this one go and wrap it around.
Do you
Just
want
to
them
secure it.
tightly?
One or two. One or two times is good. All right, perfect. Now what I'd like you to do is to find a negative space and fit this into the negative space, and this is how you can fill the negative spaces.
There's negative space on this?
Definitely.
Are you kidding?
1, 2. You see how I stuck this in right there?
Let me help you, Harry, since I'm a friend. You never really helped me.
You don't have to be scared of the balloons. They're your best friends.
Me no business if the balloon bursts, Mama. I can do
I
that,
do.
or I can put it from the top down.
Top down, just any negative space you'd like.
Yeah, I want to fill the bottom.
All right. Let me help you there.
Who would have thought this is such an arduous process?
And this is ways in which you could continue to fill it in different ways. If you've created a sword, which I have right here, you could just stick the sword in.
Yeah,
if
the
you
sword
have
look like it's easier than the Why is it falling over, Frankie?
all right, because there
Up on
isn't
the
any
ankle.
weight attached to it. That's the
I thought you
reason
had
why.
sand in the bottom.
And then you could just fill it in and do the balloon column any way you'd like and make it really, really pretty for any event that you have. And it really makes it more classy.
Very cool, lady. Why are you having us a next soft skills workshop anytime?
Definitely. We will be having a workshop for soft skills within February, the first Saturday in
When
February.
you say soft skills, you mean for folks who want to learn how to design?
Folks, okay, so Soft Skills International Training Institute basically teaches you different skills that you need within the work environment. So this is actually a really great skill that you could have inside of an office. Let's say they're having an office party. You could create this, and this really makes you more marketable to your employers and to whatever industry you are in.
What are some of the other soft skills that you tackle?
Okay, so we tackle customer service, we tackle conflict management, team leadership, Those
aren't really soft skills, you know that, right?
Pardon?
I hear people talk about soft skills all the time. We don't realize how vital those skills are. And I think sometimes when we say soft skills, people just take them and put them to the side, but they're critical skills.
They're definitely critical, and they make you more marketable for 2020 and the rest of the world.
Where do folks find you guys?
All right, so we are located right beside Kings Plaza in Halfway Tree, 8 North End Place. You can contact us at 876-906-3069.
Okay, North End Place is right next door to
Kings Plaza.
Yeah, Fashion Week. That's my place. All right, guys, thank you very much. As you can see, Dale and I have done a masterful job.
Oh, yes.
If you would like to hire us to do your balloons,
I don't think they
and
would.
decor, if you have any confidence in yourself, you're twice defeated in the race of life. Just give us a call here on Smile and go through them, and we will do your next event.
That's
All
right.
Come, Delia, take us out.
Owner of the Soft Skills International Training Institute, Frankie Ann Ricketts. How much do you know about the Peace Management Initiative? We get some info right after this.